So guys, today I'm doing another video on, you can guess because you read the title, it's Hungry Shark. I did so much off-camera stuff, got gems and coins and leveled up to level 8. I did so much good stuff. I was trying to film, but all the videos, they didn't actually work out. So all that's now counted as off-camera stuff. And I am trying to go through the deep ocean right now. Oh my goodness, there's a megalodon. It's a great white. That's a megalodon! I was only able to defeat it. Yeah, I was only able to defeat it because I had the gold rush. If I didn't, then I would have been dartboard? This place is amazing. But the jellies here are crazy. Like, the jellyfish. Their stings are like crazy. Like they poison you. I'm running out of food though. No! That was probably a waste. Big waste. There's a lot of gemfish here though, so I can always get back. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Ew. Last time. After this, I'm not using any more gems. Whenever you're in Gold Rush. Come on, why do I always touch those jellyfish? Also, I know there's a rare fish here. Can't find it. Come on. I'll find it later. Amazing. Oh, I said aw because I'm holding the lizard right now, actually. She's on my shoulder. She's so cute. Gonna have to end the video here, though.